National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southern Cook County and north central Texas until 3:45 a.m. At 12:46 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm reducing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Gainesville, Munster, Lindsay, Lake Kiowa, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, and Valley View. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.